It is unfortunate, but they do have kind of this need to make the medicine without losing money, because
Mhm.
the problem with Western medicine that I personally think exists, and Western medicine doctors will tell you this as well, so will pharmacists, so will people working in the pharmaceutical industry. It's the cost. When the cost is too high, even if you have a great medicine, you just can't produce it because, you know, the researchers, the doctors, they're not billionaires and trillionaires. They just don't have the money to put it into factory production. So this requires, of course, an assembly line. You require custom checks. You require balances. You require pollution and kind of mitigation of that. And
Mhm.
then even in the processes, you need to have all these checks in place because being a made medicine means that it's refined. One thing goes wrong and the whole thing can have various very dangerous issues, which is also why I was switching eventually after seeing Dr. Wu to the field in herbal medicine, because I realized that when I go to Mother Earth and I pull an herb from the ground, the the check has been done for me. It's
Mhm.
alive, it's there. It's not dead, it's not broken, and you
Right.
check it and it's fine.